When it comes to residential HVAC systems in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the leading provider. With a strong reputation for quality and reliability, Scon Design is known for delivering innovative and efficient solutions for homeowners in the area. Their experienced team of professionals understands the unique challenges of the local climate and is well equipped to design and install HVAC systems that meet the specific needs of residential properties. Scon Design takes pride in their ability to provide customized solutions for every home. They understand that each residence has its own unique requirements when it comes to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. By conducting a thorough assessment of the property and taking into consideration factors such as size, layout, and insulation, Scon Design ensures that the HVAC system they design is perfectly tailored to meet the needs of the homeowners. One of the key strengths of Scon Design is their expertise in energy-efficient HVAC systems. With increasing concerns about environmental sustainability and rising energy costs, homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying a comfortable living environment. Scon Design understands this need and incorporates energy-efficient technologies into their residential HVAC systems. By using advanced equipment and smart controls, they are able to optimize energy consumption and reduce wastage, resulting in lower utility bills for homeowners. In addition to providing top-notch HVAC solutions, Scon Design also offers excellent customer service. Their team of professionals is dedicated to ensuring customer satisfaction at every step of the process. From initial consultation and system design to installation and maintenance, they are committed to providing prompt and reliable service. A residential HVAC system is an essential component in every home, especially in a city like Bangalore, where the weather can be quite extreme. Marathahalli, located in the eastern part of Bangalore, is known for its rapidly growing residential areas and commercial establishments. With the increasing population and urbanization, the demand for efficient HVAC systems in Marathahalli has also grown. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading companies that specializes in designing and installing residential HVAC systems in Marathahalli and other parts of Bangalore. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of skilled professionals who are well versed in the latest HVAC technologies and trends. They have a deep understanding of the climatic conditions in Bangalore and can provide customized solutions to meet the specific needs of each customer. Whether it is a small apartment or a large villa, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to design and install HVAC systems that are efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. The residential HVAC systems designed by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd are not only energy efficient,